Hi everyone, welcome to my first devlog, and today we're going to be tackling another coding challenge, and this time we're going to do automation with Python. So there are a variety of libraries that you can use to automate things with Python, but today we're going to look at PyAutoGUI. So PyAutoGUI is an automation framework that uses keyboard and mouse inputs to do all the automation. So today we're going to primarily using keyboard inputs since it's easy to code. So you can also use mouse inputs if you're more comfortable with that, since with a keyboard and mouse you can do basically anything on the computer. PyAuto's GUI is very useful for automating lots of things. Now PyAuto's GUI is unfortunately not built in for Python, so we'll have to install it separately. But installing it separately is not that big of a deal. All we need to do is in the command prompt type pip3 install PyAuto's GUI. So this will install PyAuto's GUI for us. And after you're done installing this, you're ready to code. So first, in order to start using PyAutoGUI in your script, import it. I'm going to import it as auto since that's easier to type. And then we're also going to be importing time, since lots of the times when PyAutoGUI does a lot of commands very quickly, it misses over certain commands in between. So with time we can add delays to ensure it doesn't miss over commands. So now we're going to be deciding what to automate. So let's say we want to open up google.com. So to do that, all we need to do is open up Firefox, which is my preferred browser. So to do that, you just type pyauto GUI. Oh, sorry, auto.hotkey. Now a hotkey is a function which allows us to input a keyboard shortcut. So in this case, since Firefox is a second item in my taskbar, I can input the keyboard shortcut Windows 2. So this will open up Firefox. So again, we're going to need to use another hotkey to open up a new tab. And then another to select the URL bar, which is going to be Alt D. Okay. Now since we've selected the URL bar, we're going to have to type something into it. And for this, you can use another function called typewrite. What this allows us to do is type a certain thing into a field. So in this case, we just need to type out google.com and then press enter. And that's as simple as using a press function. Okay, so this code should allow us to open up Google. Okay, as we can see, we can now open Google with a single click. Now this is just a basic use of PyAutoGUI, but as you get more advanced, you can do more advanced things with it. In fact, PyAutoGUI has a wide variety of applications. You can even detect icons, click on them, navigate, draw stuff. It's very, very useful. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it.